got into patient involvement and research about 20 years ago now by accident. I got cancer. It's really important for patients, carers, anyone affected by cancer to get involved with cancer research. There are several reasons for it. The most obvious one is it's our disease. We're the ones on the receiving end. We're the ones coping with it, either ourselves or we're watching someone we love cope with it. So any research has got to benefit us, otherwise there's really no point in doing it. So it makes sense, logically, to involve us in helping to shape, form, design, deliver that research and then actually promote the findings so that it does benefit patients.
LSHTM collaborates with people affected by cancer in a variety of ways. One of the main ways is our long-term relationship with patients and their carers on our advisory panels, and that really helps to set the direction of work going forward. We also ask them to comment on research proposals as they go for applications, but also we have special events where we bring patients and carers in to talk to our researchers and to give the researchers immediate feedback on the kinds of projects that they're planning. It's really valuable for researchers to work with patients because we deal with secondary data, generally speaking, which means it's been routinely collected, not from patients themselves. And we really need that understanding of what perspectives patients have, what they feel is important in research. LSHTM has got a great variety of work on cancer research going on at the moment. Everything from the global surveillance of cancer survival trends to looking at health system factors that impact international variation in cancer. We also have researchers looking at the performance metrics to help improve the quality of cancer care and looking at electronic health records to establish the kinds of long-term outcomes for cancer patients. And there's a big focus on the inequalities of cancer survival and how to reduce those both within countries and across countries.
So the work that the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine does, analysing diseases in populations, is absolutely vital to actually us understanding the world in which we all live. We are all part of larger groups. There's a more interesting thing about LSHTM and cancer though, and that's the work they've been doing on survival, which is actually global work. It's not just the UK, it's global. But actually comparing those nations with each other and discovering it's not just different mortality rates, but actually different survival rates, different lengths of survival. And that makes you start asking questions about why. Why do some people get it, not get it? Why do some people live longer, not longer? And on the one hand, the biologists can investigate the genome and what's going on inside our bodies. But if you look at large groups of people, you're suddenly looking at factors that affect whole populations.
So I think some of the big priorities for cancer research moving forward are to look in more detail at what underlies the inequalities that we've really seen persisting in cancer survival over the last few decades. And for that we can use electronic health records, but also the cancer registry data and the new techniques that we've got for investigating those large sets of data are going to be really important.
Which, by the way, is another reason why people should not opt out of donating their data. We need as much as we can get to help as many people as we can.